Hello everyone. So this is our K-12 kit and today we are going to work on the project Potentiometer fan control. So let's see how it's done. First, we will connect the power to the positive of the potentiometer, then negative to the ground, then its output to the positive of the motor control, that is the fan, and then its negative to the ground. Now, when we will twist this potentiometer, the fan is supposed to rotate and change its speed. Let's see. Now let's twist it and check whether it's changing its speed or not. Right now it is at its maximum intensity. Now let's twist it backwards. Right now it's rotating at a very low speed. And it just stopped. And this is how it's done.